You've probably been searching online for methods to earn money and you finally found it. Simply by showing you how to copy and paste photographs, you can make between $500 and $1,000. Furthermore, it won't require any work and will be entirely passive. You should not worry because this is accessible everywhere. Isn't it incredible that it's totally free? Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you a new website where you can earn money by just copying and pasting pictures. Let's now get going. Now, I want you to go to google.com and type in the keyword cute animals as your first step. From there, I want you to click on the Pictures button. This will take you to a page with pictures of all of these cute animals and information about how we can use them to make a lot of money online by using a very unique website and a very specific method. The second step is to go to teespring.com, which is a free platform that lets you use artificial intelligence to make e-commerce products that you can then sell online without having to talk to anyone. You only need to copy and paste the images into teespring.com when you upload all of your photographs and designs, which is actually much simpler and easier than you might expect. It will help you print those patterns onto the numerous clothes, t-shirts, and other designs that you may find here. Teespring.com offers a wide variety of clothing. You can easily upload, copy, and paste some simple images into this design so that they can be printed on a number of t-shirts right away. Check out this $20 t-shirt. Not only that, but there are a ton of other designs on teespring.com that you can practically sell anything by just copying and pasting. As you can see, in addition to backpacks, leggings, and even phone covers, there are accessories. The idea behind this way to make money is that Teespring would be happy to pre-make and design all of the t-shirts and other designs for you, and then help you ship them to 180 countries around the world. Not only that, but they can do it with same-day or two-day shipping, which means you can start your own online store in the design store on teespring.com. That's awesome! First, you need to make a product. You can do this by using the Teespring launcher and clicking on the Stock Designing button. In a moment, I'll show you how to use your mobile phone or computer to begin designing different t-shirts by uploading, copying, and pasting different designs. So stay connected and don't miss out on anything else. You may make and design a variety of goods on teespring.com. We'll go on to the next level, which is boosting your sales. Once you've accomplished that process, you can boost sales by using their existing network or by integrating with them through technology or a partnership. It's actually fairly simple. And it's now operational. So Teespring will help you with manufacturing, transportation, and fulfillment of all purchases. They'll even assist you with customer service, and they have a team to do so. All you have to do now is return to teespring.com's homepage and click on the Start Designing button at the top, which will take you to this page where you can sign up for the world's most popular creator platform. Simply enter some basic information such as your name or brand, email address, and password, and then click the Sign Up button. You'll be directed to this page after filling out your personal information and creating an account, where you'll see different categories or different trending products, as well as a variety of suggestions for what's hot and what's trending right now in other trending areas such as digital apparel and accessories, which include joggers, face masks, and so on. If you don't like any of these categories, simply scroll down and check through the many different themes, items, and products that you can develop. As you can see, there are plenty. Simply clicking the Start button will take you to this category of long sleeve tees. In this video, I'll show you how to start with the best one, the classic. As you can see, there is a central portion where we need to copy and paste a picture into the t-shirt as our own design. Thus, we need to provide an image of our t-shirt. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. What you'll do now is return to Google and search for cute emojis, as I demonstrated at the beginning of the video, and select one of these images. In this video, I'll use cats as an example because there are many cat fans all over the world who would like to buy and design a t-shirt with a lovely cat on top. So once we've selected the cat image, we can either save it to our computer, take a screenshot, or save it to your phone. All we have to do now is click this button to upload a picture. Select the photos that will be chosen, and there will now be the cat photo once you've successfully uploaded your image. It will appear on the t-shirt as seen over here right now. You may drag and drop the photos to any location that you want, or even drag them to make them bigger. So right now I'm making it slightly larger to fit the box in the center, and putting it slightly in the center at the bottom here. You can resize as needed. The next step is to select a color for your product. For our t-shirt, we'll go with white. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the website to choose a price for your product. By default, they'll suggest $26.99, and you can earn 11% profit on every sale, with Teespring marketing and selling the t-shirt for you every day. The amazing thing about Teespring is how quiet it is and how simple it is for a beginner. Because Teespring will help you with marketing and selling the goods once you're satisfied with your design. Simply click the continue button at the bottom and your t-shirt and design will be shown right on top online at teespring.com. I'd like you to go to facebook.com right now and search for the keyword cat lover to get hundreds of sales. When you get to Facebook, all you have to do is click on groups under the filter section by default, which I did, and then click on this button right here to join these public groups, which will help you filter all of the results for public cat lovers groups. I'll click on this group right here, which gets me to this page, where I see many cat fans from all around the world. They're showcasing various cat-related images, graphics, and videos. And if you're able to post a simple design here on the Scoop, you'll be able to generate a lot of organic sales without having to talk to anyone. It will also be very targeted traffic because everyone who joins this group is a cat lover. Post a basic message and share your t-shirt design right here inside the Facebook group, and presto, you just make a ton of money. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.